Friends, today we will start the chapter number 10, Profit and Loss. Now, first of all, we will understand what is profit and what is loss. So, just take an example. You have bought a pen, okay? This is your pen, and you have bought this pen for rupees 10. Okay, now this is your friend. He said, I want this pen. Can you sell it to me? So you sell this 10 rupees pen to your friend at rupees 20. Okay, you bought a pen for rupees 10 and sell it to your friend to rupees 20. How many rupees you get? So here you have the profit of 10 rupees. आपके पास 10 rupees extra आ गए. This is the profit. Now, here in profit and loss, we have to understand two terms. CP, that means cost price, and SP, that means selling price. So, what is cost price? Cost price means जिस रेट पे आपने खरीदा या फिर जिस रेट पे सामान खरीदा, ठीक है, जिस रेट पे बाय किया, दैट इज द सीपी. एंड व्हाट इज एसपी? इट इज द सेलिंग प्राइस, जिस प्राइस पे आपने सेल किया. ओके, इफ वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट पेन, how many rupees you have bought that pen? You bought that pen in 10 rupees, so 10 is the CP, and you sell it in rupees 20. You sell it for rupees 20, so 20 is the SP. Now, if you see, whenever you have profit कब होगा? जब आपका सेलिंग प्राइस आपने ज़्यादा का बेचा होगा. That means in profit, SP is always greater than CP. जितने का खरीदा है उससे ज़्यादा का बेचेंगे तभी प्रॉफिट होगा. It is understood? Yes. So, प्रॉफिट में हमेशा SP ज़्यादा होता है, CP कम. Now in case of loss, whenever you have loss, suppose this pen which you have bought in rupees 10, you have sold it to your friend in rupees 5. आपने 5 रुपये का बेचा उसको, तो यहाँ पर 5 रुपीज़ का लॉस हो गया आपको. So in the case of loss, SP is always smaller than CP. बेचने वाला रेट कम होगा, खरीदने वाला रेट ज़्यादा होगा, right? The CP is always greater than SP. Now we will learn 4 formulas here which you have to learn by heart. They are very important formulas. So first formula is of gain. Gain means profit. You can either say it gain or profit. So what is the formula for profit? It is SP minus CP. SP minus CP. Second formula is loss. What is the formula for loss? I already told you. In case of loss, CP is greater, so CP minus SP. Okay, remember these two terms. Now we have to find the gain percent. आपको कितने परसेंट का गेन हुआ? So gain percent और profit percent. It is gain or profit upon CP into 100%. जो प्रॉफिट आया उसको यहाँ पर रखेंगे अपॉन CP into 100%. Now what is the formula for loss percent? Now for loss percent it is given loss upon CP into 100%. Okay, now we will start doing the question of exercise 10A. Open your books and see the question number 1. Okay, see the question number 1. Question number 1 is saying CP equals to rupees 620 and SP is equals to rupees 713. Now you have to find whether the person has loss or gain. You have to find loss percent or gain percent. Now see, first CP is 620 and SP is 713. So which is greater? SP is greater. When the SP is greater, that means it is the profit. So find the profit. Profit equals to SP minus CP. SP is 713 and CP is 620. Subtracted, it is 93. So here is the profit of 93 rupees. But we have to find the gain percent or the profit percent. So the gain percent is gain upon, what is the formula? Gain upon CP into 100%. What is the gain? The person has a gain of 93 rupees upon CP. CP कितना है? It is 620 into 100. Now when you solve it, you will get 93 into 5 upon 31. Solve it further and you will find the percent. Now let's see another question. Question number 4th. Question number 1 का part 4th. In the part 4th, CP is given rupees 80 and SP is given rupees 76.80. Now we have to find the loss or gain percent. Okay. Now tell me, which is greater, CP or SP? This time CP is greater. When the CP is greater, that means the person has loss. It will be CP minus SP. CP is 80 and SP is 76.80. So when you subtract it, you will find rupees 3.20. Now we have to find the loss percent. So what is the formula of loss percent? It is loss upon, yes, CP into 100%. लॉस कितना था? रुपीज़ 3.0 का. SP कितना है? 80. सॉरी, CP कितना था? 80 एंड 100%. पॉइंट हटाया. So we have 320 upon 80. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. So लॉस कितने परसेंट का लॉस हुआ? The loss percent is 4%. Isn't it easy? Now look at the question number 2. In question number 2, we have to find the selling price. Selling price means SP. In question number 2, CP is given. CP is rupees 1650 and gain is 4%. We have to find SP. Now, first of all, see here, gain is not given, gain percent is given. So from here, we can find the gain. So gain percent, what is the formula for gain percent? It is gain upon CP into 100%. Okay. Now gain is 4%. Gain find करना है हमें. CP is given 1650 into 100%. Right. Now when you remove this percent sign, you will put 100 and you will divide with 100. 1650 into 100. Now we have to find this value, so we will send this here. It will be 1650 equals to gain into 100. Now send this 100 here. It will be in division. Now students, see, this 100 will be removed because यहाँ पर हमने डिवाइड कर दिया है. So it will be 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, plus 2 26, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 upon 10. So gain कितना हुआ है? Gain is 66 rupees. Gain कितने का हुआ है? 66 rupees का. Now from here you can find the SP. So what is the formula for profit? Profit equals to SP minus CP. The profit from here we have find 66. SP हमें find करना है and CP is given 1650. From here find the value of SP. 66 plus 1650. Add them and you will find this is the SP. Now let's do question number 4. In question number 4, they are saying Manjeet bought an iron safe for rupees 12160. So cost of iron safe, it is 12160. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का कॉस्ट कितना था? 340 and he sold it at rupees 12875. Now we have to find the gain percent. Okay, gain percent निकालना है. Now first tell me what is the CP and what is SP here. Now he buy at this rate. So the total CP will be sum of this. उसने इतने का खरीदा और इतना ट्रांसपोर्ट पड़ा, तो CP इन दोनों का सम होगा. So this is the CP and this is SP. Now tell me which is greater. SP is greater than CP, so this is gain. Gain का फॉर्मूला क्या है? SP minus SP minus CP. SP कितना है? 12875 and CP कितना है? 12500. When you subtract this, it will be rupees 375 and we have to find the gain percent. It is, what is the formula for gain percent? It is gain upon 100 upon CP into 100. Now gain is of rupees this. CP कितना है? 12500 into 100%. 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5. It is 13 upon 5%. Sorry, it will be 15 and 5 3s are 15. So gain percent कितनी आ गई? 3%. This is the gain percent. इतने का उसको profit हुआ. Now look at the question number 6th. 5th you can do yourself. Now look at the question number 6th. They are saying Hari bought 20 kg rice. 20 kg rice. It is rupees 36 per kg. this is the cost of 1 kg and we have to find the cost of 20 kg. okay, 1 kg का कॉस्ट इतना है, दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg राइस. सो 20 kg राइस का कॉस्ट कितना होगा? 720 rupees. Now they are saying and 25 kg of rice at the rate of 32 per kg. At the rate of 32 rupees per kg, he bought 25 kg. So cost of 25 kg, 25 into 32. Multiply this. It is 800. Now they are asking, he mixed the two variety and sold the mixture as, he mixes them and mix कर दिया और उसके बाद सोल्ड किया. सोल्ड किया कितने रुपीस पे? 38 पर kg. नाउ सी, मिक्स करने के बाद टोटल अमाउंट कितना हो जाएगा? The total amount will be 30. We have 20 kg and 25 kg. So it will be 20 plus 25. That will be 45 kg. So cost of 45 kg. 1 kg का कॉस्ट इतना है तो 45 का कितना होगा? मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. It is rupees 2110. Now this is the selling price. Okay, उसने इतने रुपए में बेचा. So this is the SP. और खरीदा कितने में था? इन दोनों को सम करेंगे. So CP will be 720 plus 820. It will be this. Okay. Now we have to find the gain percent. Okay, उसने इतने में खरीदा था, इतने में बेचा. Now we have to find the gain percent. So what is the formula for? First we have to find the profit. So profit equals to CP SP minus CP. SP is 2110 minus. Now you can find it yourself. Next more question we will do in the next exercise. Till then I will provide you the PDF of this exercise.